Hi everyone, Nancy with our treasure home and part 2 of the chicken. So, let me turn around. I still got some frying. There's like one left in there. And this is the finished product. Some of these are still hot, but I'm going to taste test one. I'll get a small one. So this is what they turned out with. I will link Brandy's channel, Pafford Homestead, down below. She's got the recipe. Oh, it's just easier to go watch her. But this turned out really good. I've already had one. But yes. Yeah. It tastes just like it. And you could put ranch dressing, whatever dressing you want. You can't have the Chick-fil-A because it's got tomatoes in it. I can come up with something on my own. But yes, yeah. I can tell the difference without having the paprika, but I used cumin and I put some, I think I call it for 2 teaspoons of paprika, but I did like 3 teaspoons of cumin just to add some more flavor to it. But yes, oh, it is so good. Thank you, Brandy. And the difference is, with hers, they used regular milk. With ours, we did dairy-free, so I used almond milk. And I used the cumin because I can't use paprika. And everything else is the same. We used panko breadcrumbs because that has no dairy in it also. So, yes. It turned out really well. I am impressed. I will be doing this again. So, if you haven't, give it a try. Homemade is so much good. So, with that, hope y'all having a wonderful day. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.